Hi everybody, how you doing? After many days I have come up with a short video. Over here in India it's a rainy season and I was just thinking about in the morning birds are singing, chirping. So I was thinking how can we modulate or can we mimic can we mimic their sound in our DAW, or can we make it so I have just tried that and I think we can mimic. So over here I have taken a pure sine wave and what we have to do only is we have to just modulate this frequency and we can't manually do this up and down. So I have created a automation for this, which is this, and I have taken a rainy sound sample. So let's listen to its automation, which will modulate this knob over here, the frequency knob, as you can see. So I just turn on the sine wave. So that's it guys, I hope you like that. So bye bye guys, thank you.